3-Minute Thursdays, the art of vlogging. The point of vlogging is to take a camera and tell a story with it. Come on, let's go. So we're in Sam's Club, we're getting stuff for dinner. Don't be scared to shoot with the camera. If you don't feel comfortable with the giant camera, use the GoPro, what I'm using right now, or use your phone. Don't have an excuse not to record something. Now let's get out of here. I'm cold, we're in the freezer section. Don't forget to be you in your vlogs. Everybody wants to see your vlogs, what you can create, how you can create it, what stories can you tell. Not everybody wants to see Peter McKinnon vlogs. Not everybody wants to see Casey Neistat vlogs. Not everybody wants to see the top creator in YouTube, Instagram, or whatever. They want to see your vlogs. They're here to watch your content. They're here to watch your videos. So don't disappoint. Pick up the camera and shoot. Don't be scared. If you're worried about what other people think, then you're already going to fail. No matter the content, whether you're filming on your phone, your camera, don't be scared of what other people have to say. If you let everybody point a finger in your face and tell you how everything should go, everything that you should do, then you're never going to do anything in your life. So pick up the camera. If they're laughing at you, if they're talking about you, then let them talk. Let them laugh. But you do you. Don't let anybody point their finger in your face, tell you what to do. Make the content. Don't be scared to film. Tell a story. If they don't like the story, then who cares? But at least you made something. You had the courage to do it. Now pick up the camera and shoot. I was going to record myself in Walmart, but I had to make a decision to just get the stuff and get out. I have chicken in the back, so I don't want it to go bad. So. Alright, so HTO gave me some barbecue chips to try out and some hot pretzels. I'm gonna have to try these out later. I'm driving and I got a huge unsweet Georgia peach with some Splenda. If you haven't checked out HTO, it's the best place to go. In Glendale, Arizona. They started out in Texas, but when it's in Arizona, you gotta go in Arizona. Just like Buc-ee's, Goodyear. Oh yeah, the whole vlog was just to make dinner.